So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of emails, and let's say what I want to do is I want to convert it into calendar events for some reason. In that case, what you can simply do is right click on a particular email right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to turn this into an event, for example. Then I can go ahead and right click and then go to organize and then choose convert to and then choose event. So once you go ahead and do that, you can choose a calendar, as you can see right here. You can also see that all the emails right here has been added onto the description. So now you can go ahead and choose a particular date. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and choose a particular date right here. So you can see that I can choose September, October, and so forth. So let me just schedule it for 24th October right here. For example, I can choose categories or multiple categories right here, just like this as well. And then I can go ahead and add in reminders, click on save right here, just like this. And you can see that I have a reminder for another event that I have. So let me just dismiss it and then go to the calendar right here. So now this is the calendar that I have right here. So I'm going to go around over here and you can see the calendar event right here. It's set as an all-day event. So let me just go ahead and then you can see this particular calendar right here. So I'm just going to disable this as an all-day event and save, and now it moves as a separate event right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and work around with converting emails to event inside of Thunderbird. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.